Hi everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. This is Amylyn. Today we were going to cook the delicious and yummy stir-fry mushroom with chicken. We're going to fry the mushroom, saute the garlic first and the ginger, and next we're gonna put the mushroom, the dried mushroom. You should soak in the water into 3 or 4 hours. It takes a long time. So if you're going to cook for dinner, you must earlier soak the mushroom and then make it soft from the cold water. And next, we're going to put the siyaw, soy sauce, light soy sauce and water, and cook it around 20 minutes to make it soft, the mushroom. And after that, you can turn the fire into medium heat, and then after 15 minutes, you will check if the water enough. Before I add some little bit of water because it's not enough for cooking the mushroom. And this time, it's time to separate. Take it out, the mushroom in the wok, and set aside. And next, we're going to fry the chicken. First, you must clean the wok first, and then put the oil. I use olive oil. Any kind of oil can use, but I always use the olive oil. And let's fry the chicken. I don't marinate the chicken because later we're going to put the other seasoning because the mushroom also have already taste. I put already the soy sauce, and next put the ginger and white onion. White onion is optional. You can use also the shallot, the red onion or sibuyas, and keep it frying until the chicken get it dry. No need put water. Just keep frying the chicken and then put the soy sauce, light soy sauce, and salt. A little bit of salt, and not too much salt because I use the soy sauce is already salty, but I use the less sodium soy sauce, and keep frying until it's dry. And then we will cook the chicken around 15 minutes. Put the lid back and cook for 15 minutes. And look, the chicken. You can see no any water, and then it's time to put the mushroom, the one I cooked before, and mix together and cook another 10 minutes. Kailangan lang natin lutuin hanggang mag-less yung water, yung sauce, and make it sticky. Continue to cook until mag-less talaga yung sabaw. Kasi medyo marami pang water, and no need to cover it. Just keep open and fry and hanggang sa mag-less yung water, yung sauce. And then I will mix the water and cornstarch for thickening the sauce. Hindi kasi ito mawawala sa Chinese cooking, sa Chinese recipe. Ang cornstarch and water mixture. And then, that's it. It's very easy guys, ang Chinese recipe. Ang sauce nila ay ganun lang talaga ang technique doon para mag-sticky ang cornstarch and water. And then, sprinkle with spring onion. I cut into 1 inch or more. And that's it. I hope nag-enjoy kayo at may natutunan kayo sa aking cooking show, cooking vlog today. Thanks for watching. And this is the stir-fried chicken with mushroom.